Mari kita sama-sama memohon tuntunan Tisarana dan Pancasila kepada Bhikkhu Sangga dengan membacakan kalimat sebagai berikut. Okasa aham bante samsara wata dukato mochanataya tisaranena saha Pancasilam dhammang yacami anugaham katwa silam detame bante dutiyampi okasa aham bante samsara wata dukato mochanataya tisaranena saha Pancasilam dhammam yacami anugaham katwa silam detame bante tatiyampi okasa aham bante samsara wata dukato mochanataya tisaranena saha Pancasilam dhammam yacami anugaham katwa silam detame bante
Ya Mahavadami Dhammadita
ama bante
Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa.
Buddhang saranang gacchami
Buddham saranam gacchami.
Dhammam saranang gacchami
Dhammang saranam gacchami.
Sangham saranang gacchami
Sangham saranam gacchami.
Dutiyampi Buddhang saranang gacchami
Dutiyampi Buddham saranam gacchami.
Dutiyampi Dhammam saranang gacchami
Dutiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami.
Dutiyampi sangham saranang gacchami
Dutiyampi sangham saranam gacchami.
Tatiyampi Buddhang saranang gacchami
Tatiyampi Buddham saranam gacchami.
Tatiyampi Dhammam saranang gacchami
Tatiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami.
Tatiyampi sangham saranang gacchami.
Tatiyampi sangham saranam gacchami.
Saranagamana paripurnam.
Amabante panatipata weramani sikkhapadam samadhiyami. Adinadana weramani sikkhapadam samadhiyami. Kame sumicacara weramani sikkhapadam samadhiyami. Musawada weramani sikkhapadam samadhiyami. Surameraya majapamadatana weramani sikkhapadam samadhiyami.
Idang me silam.
Idang me silam.
Megaphalanyanasa.
Magaphalanyanasa.
Paccayo.
Paccayo.
Hotu.
Hotu.
Tisrane nasaha panja garudama neja silang damang sadugang katawa apamadina sampadita.
Amabante sadu sadu sadu. Buddham pujemi, Dhammang pujemi, Sangham pujemi. Sadu, sadu, sadu.
Sayadaw, now we are going to ask for forgiveness. Mari kita sama-sama membacakan kalimat berikut. If I have done anything wrong to Sayadaw by deed, speech, or thought, either consciously or unconsciously, may I be forgiven so that I may live in peace and happiness. Sadu, sadu, sadu.
Abhivadana sileja nejang wudda pajayino cattaro dhamma wadantu ayuwono sukhambala.
Sadu, sadu, sadu.
Nothing wrong. Because of the meaning is Sankho E, Bible action, mental action, bodily action, something. What we have done wrong, we ask the forgiveness. All of our yogi precept mindfully, practice very well, satisfied of this retreat. Our yogi diligently research the truths. That is why nothing is wrong, all are semua bahagia.
Sadu, sadu, sadu. Now Tony want to a little speech. Tony, as the chairman of the committee, would like to express my heartfelt gratitude, especially to Sayadaw Nanda Siddhi, who graciously touched and guided us with utmost patience and compassion, ensuring the success of this year's meditation retreat event. We also extend our thanks to Sayadaw Chandawara and Sayadaw Pandita for their companionship and motivation to the yogis, inspiring a spirit of their practice. May the Sayadaws always be blessed with health and happiness, and may they be conducive to the achievement of the ultimate enlightenment and nibbana. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Ya. Terima kasih juga kepada para panitia yang telah bekerja keras, tim dapur, Bu Jenny, Mak Sari, Bu Ana, Susan, Vita, Mary Cui, Bro Joni, Brother Asyung, Teresia, anak asuh Meta Padma, Harta, Ferdinand, dan lain sebagainya yang tidak bisa saya sebutkan satu persatu, serta para donatur yang turut mendukung acara meditasi retreat kali ini. Terima kasih juga kepada para yogi yang telah memberi kami kesempatan menanam jasa kebajikan melalui kalian. Para yogi sungguh luar biasa telah berjuang habis-habisan dalam menjalankan latihannya serta dapat bekerja sama dengan baik. Semoga para yogi bisa maju terus dalam latihan, semoga tercapai apa yang diharapkan. Mohon maaf jika ada kata-kata atau perbuatan yang kurang berkenan dari para panitia selama pelatihan ini. Semoga akumulasi semua perbuatan baik kita ini selama acara retreat meditasi di Jetavana Arama dapat melimpah kepada semua makhluk, baik yang tampak maupun yang tidak tampak. Semoga mereka semua dapat berbahagia dan selekasnya terlahir di alam yang lebih berbahagia. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Ya, selanjutnya sesi tanya jawab.
Sayadaw, now we are proceed to question and answer session.
Oh. Want to ask a question? Okay. Any question? Yeah. Ada written question? Oh. Okay. Saya tidak ada. What question is that?
Okay, Sayadaw.
You-
Questions.
you
The questions have been written here. And I will translate for Sayadaw. The first one. In the condition where someone is very sick and he or she is being unconscious in the hospital, what is the state of the consciousness? What is the mind? How is the mind? He is in a coma situation in the hospital, being unconscious, lying on the bed.
Oh, the person sick inside the hospital, don't know anything, only just money, in the coma, right? That is their consciousness is there. Because not yet die, not yet die. When you sleeping time also you don't know anything, right? Sama-sama like that one. Understand? It's the person that is when Bawenga time is normal Bawenga time, we are sleeping. That is, they make by some of the medicine or some disease, make them all the sensitivity cease. Sensitivity is cannot sense. That is physical. Sensitivity is the physical, not the mental. People a lot of misunderstanding. We say pasada is the rupa, not the citta. That is not the mind. This pasada rupa means you say Dr. Gigi, they put here something, you know pain already. If they take out the Gigi, right? At the same, they don't have any feeling. Like coma also, sometimes half conscious. Like we are, when sleeping, half time we are dreaming or some sort of like that. But you cannot know exactly what is going on. That is not clear comprehension. You cannot get understanding level on that situation. That is the mind state. We say in Abhidhamma word is, it has ati mahanta, parita, ati parita, the thought process. That is a kind of parita and ati parita, very weak of mind. They are not yet reached the Bawenga, but their mind is very weak thought process. That is why they cannot know. Sometimes they will know, sometimes they may not know. That is condition only. Understand what I mean? After they totally cut off already, then pass away. Not yet pass away, also a person going to die, nearly of death, also can be like that. People finish already, sensitivity is reduced. Sometimes my experience is not my own experience, I not yet die, right? So, my mom in the hospital, I go and see with one of my teacher. On the beside of she lying down. My teacher a bit test of the leg. Leg is cool already. Normally is normal people they say if you make a bit warm, right? But maybe got aircon or whatever lah, maybe cool, they think of that. But the time is in Myanmar, no aircon. That is a bit cool already, not the normal warming. But I don't know. I talking with my mom. You are meditator. You know, come and go. Your life also come and go. Your Vedana, your feeling also come and go. You can note lah. We can say like that, no? As the same as my mom is the disciple of Mahasi Sayadaw. Under the Mahasi Sayadaw, she is a yogi. That's why she very well noting. So I asked, okay. Then we going down to take the tea in the restaurant. Then the nurse coming down, come and say, Sayadaw, auntie no more already. So we go up, we go up, see, they cover up already. That what I noticed is, you see their body sensitivity, no more already on that time. For a while only we coming down, then they test cooling, they not much sense already. At the some part of the body, they cannot get the sensitivity already. That is how they are reduce. At the end, hearing and eye is the last one now. some sort of like that. If you got taste also normal already, they reduces like that one. Sensitivity, that is. Also, after they pass away, people, they press the eye inside, not much moving already. Then is the doctor always check here and here, and all the thing is no more sensitivity. That is peacefully gone, no? Some sort of like that. So sensitivity is like that. Sensitivity is not the mind, nothing to do with the mind. Mind very weak. That is sense. Sense is the physical. Physical, they very weak already because of the sickness or because of the ingestion. They cannot get any sense, no? Some sort of like, right? That is what they call coma. Like that situation. Understand? That is the normal. Many people also they have one. When sleeping time also sometimes half dream, we don't know. When you wake up already, some you remember, some you cannot remember. That is, the thought process is very weak. If the person who study of the Abhidhamma, they can know that's witi. Witi means thought process. Thought process is the very weak thought process. Not yet reached to the Bhavanga. Bhavanga means totally sleep. But that type of coma, sometimes he or she knowing, you know. Sometimes he knowing, even though the totally not sleeping, even though coma, sometimes they open the eye. I got the experience, another experience in one Sayadaw from Mahasi Center. About from January until September, nearly 9 months. Tayagong Sayadaw is a Uvijarida. Here is a fall down. After that, no more conscious already. You cannot call already. Then send to the nerve specialist. What they say, in the brain got damaged. That is why sometimes you open the eye. He may know or he may not know. We don't know. That's why, like that, about 8-9 months. If you give food, you go in. If you put the drip, also they can alive but cannot do anything. Until the person who take care give up already die. No? Very difficult to take care also. They cannot move right. So they the whole day on the bed in a hospital a few months. After that hospital have to take charge, daily charge what? Assign hospital, teach the disciple how to take care. So you can bring your Sayadaw to your monastery. So they take back to the own monastery, not in Mahasi Center already. So they put there, then take care. After some time, gone. No? But sometimes he know, but he cannot act. I see when I meet him, do you know or not? Just seeing. If you know, you blink your eye. You blink the eye. Or that means is knowing. But he cannot talk. But sometimes may have some hearing, no? Like that. We difficult to say. Their thought process is, their mind, the consciousness is very, very weak already. And that situation is like that. No? That is normal. Not everybody like that. Not a common case. That is a special case. Every being, they may have maybe about 1,000 people, one like that. It depends on your own karma.
So, Sayadaw, same question, another question from the same sister. She asked if there is a ghost without body. How about the mind of the ghost without body? How is the state of the mind of a ghost, but that ghost is without body?
Ah, yes. You ghosts, you cannot sing, right? You think of without body. They have their own body. Now, element, you know 4 element, right? Wind element, can you see or not? Have or don't have? Cukup lah, have to, you can understand. Right? Spirit. Spirit meaning ghost. Ghost is a nidasana. Nidasana is a unseen being. Unseen being is we don't need to see them. So they have their own body. Jasmani and Batin they have their own body. Sometimes in book lah, our knowledge is all from the book, right? Gandhaba Dewa. Now not only seeing ghosts, Dewa also, have you ever seen or not? Can see in the temple lah. Sometimes Dewa temple, they coming, right? So it is a Dewa. Really, it is a Gandhaba Dewa, means that they are eating the fragrant smell. They are not eating. Some people, they offer to the Dewa, right? After you offer, not less something, what? They are only eating the smell only. We go to the Bali. If you go to the Bali, every house, they offer to the Dewa. Dewa or ghost or with the bamboo, you have seen, like make a bit beautiful, they make very, here in hotel, many they put in hotel, they ask to get the good business. The Dewa, they make friend with the Dewa. Dewa really can get the friend, call the customer to their hotel or some sort of, they believe like that. That's why they give many. We can say in our belief mean is the food of the unseen. Food of unseen. The same. And we heard about some ghosts are very hungry, you know. They don't have any kinds of food. People, you spit your saliva, your slam, your phlegm, they also have to eat one. Like that also. That is why ghosts are very suffer. Just you share the merits, they are very happy, they can get their own merit. They cannot do some sort of, like us, the meritorious deed. That's why they're waiting for what we share the merits for them. Then they are happy, rejoicing of the merit is patidana, patanumodana. Have you heard about this too, right? Patidana is share the merits. Patanumodana. Patanumodana, whatever reach there, they very happy, enjoy, then also they can get one. That is a person who passed away, we always do this patidana, right? So that patidana, they rejoice, then they are happy, they can get some benefits from there. But nowadays we directly cannot see, but some people, they can get some connection, they can see. Not they can see, they can sense. Some they give the information by dream, by some sort of by sound or by smell, or they can give the information like that. They dare not show their figure to us. Sometimes it's very ugly. You can see in the movie, ghost movie. Huh? Okay.
Next question, Sayadaw. If the goals of all the Buddhists is to attain Arahat, the question is why there are so many householders or people that are not walking towards that path. If the goals of the Buddhists,
Goals of the Buddhists.
the destination, the final destination.
Final goal.
If
Nibbana.
if to reach Nibbana or to attain Arahat. The question is why there are so many householders or people that are not walking towards that path. Means that they are not really practicing.
Householder cannot reach to the Nibbana.
Yeah.
Because of defilement, no? That is very clear. The householder, they got wife, husband, they have very attachment. That's unwholesome. Nibbana is wholesome. Right? That is why wholesome deeds we try now here about 10 days. We are reduced of our greed, hatred, delusion, to get the purification. Nibbana is a noble purification. Nirvana. Ni means no more. Vana means attachment, greed, hatred, defilement. No, we can base on the defilement. Direct meaning is vana is loba also. Loba means is attachment, greed. No more greed means is don't want anything. Householder, you want everything. Totally like that one. That's why householder, really if you drop everything, try meditation, reach to the Arahant, you have to renounce. Cannot be as a layman. Understand what I mean? If you cannot renounce on that day, within 24 hours, you have to go to the Parinibbana. Parinibbana means you have to finish the samsara. If you reach to the Arahant. Now, that is why householder as a lay person, the quality cannot tahan, cannot stand with the purifications of the Arahant. Reach to the Arahant, that quality you need to renounce. Renounce as a bhikkhu. That is why, for knowledge, without question, Deva, celestial beings, become a Arahant. You cannot stand anymore. For why? After that, you have to Parinibbana. That's why you cannot looking for in Deva realm Arahant. In Deva realm, no more Arahant. They have the Sotapanna, they have the Sakadagami, they have the Anagami also very rare in the Deva realm. Anagami, really Anagami from human world or Deva realm, after they pass away, have to reborn in the Brahma realm. Brahma realm, there is no male, no female. All together, they don't need to eat. They don't have the Gandhaditya Nati. Gandhaditya Nati means no smell, no taste, no rough body. They just can see, can hear like a light, like a brightness. They are formed. They want to make the real form, they have to like reform, create something by their power, some sort of like that. By themselves is just a light. The Brahma coming already, the lights will first coming, some sort of like that, what inside the book. That is why Arahant become Deva, become Arahant, immediately have to Parinibbana. Become Anagami, then reborn in the Brahma realm. So Deva realm, many sensual desire, many pleasure, sensual desire. That is why Arahant cannot tahan, Anagami cannot tahan there. Anagami, no more any kinds of sensual desire. That's why you reborn there, you very boring. They say sensual desire very dirty. That's why they no more in the Deva realm, they reborn in the Brahma realm. There is no sensual pleasure, there is no male, no female, all are very pure land. No? That is what we call Sodawasa. Sodawasa means purification adobe. Purification adobe means all are Anagami and Arahant is there. Arahant can stand there. But in Deva realm, Arahant for a while only. They cannot last long. Huh? Can get now?
Next question, Sayadaw.
Yes.
What is the indicator of me?
Cable.
What is the indicator of someone that he has already achieved Sotapanna, Magga, and Phala?
Cable.
What is the indicator?
Indicator. What is the
Of-
mark? What is the sign?
What are the signs?
Yes. Sotapanna.
Sayadaw, not yet finished. Besides meditation, are there any other ways like chanting that can lead somebody to a spiritual level reaching Sotapanna level?
No.
And the next question is that, are there any faster way for me or any faster method for me to achieve Sotapanna?
God. Faster God. That is a very good question to understand. Majority understood this question. Why I can say like that? Some people read the book, Sotapanna quality. They say indicator of the Sotapanna, right? That is Sotapanna quality. All the Arya Pukala have to eradicate the defilement. Understand? To get the purification. Purification is how to pure. We dirty because of kekotoran batin. Right? This is kekotoran batin. Pelan, lewat. Huh? Eradicate. Then 100% no more already Arahant. Okay? That is third stage, Anagami. Anagami, no more anger, no more sensual desire. Sensual desire is kama. Kama means do you know, whatever good seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching, whatever good, don't want already. Not don't want, not clinging already. Whatever coming, accept. Buddha also, people offer very good one, right? No more attachment, no more crazy or craving. Huh? Crazy or craving, what is that? Understand, huh? No more sensual desire. That is third stage. No more anger, no more fear. Tak bisa takut apa yang. No more fear already. That is third stage. First stage and second stage totally eradicated wrong view and skeptical doubts. We can say that is, I can explain to bahasa salah pandangan. Salah pandangan, apa ya salah pandangan? Wrong view, wrong idea. Aku is a wrong idea, right? Tidak, aku tanpa aku. Tanpa aku is a right view. That right view, got already, you have no wrong view already. If you have wrong view, that is, cannot be get right view. If wrong view and right view, how we can clear off? Just now say, immediately you can clear off. Why? Wrong view, the whole samsara, we get this wrong view. That is I, right? I, you, female, male, all are based on a concept. That's a conventional true, not the ultimate. Ultimate means this mind and body only in the reality side. That by the Vipassana meditation, you can get kutikan, buktikan. What's a buktikan? Buktikan. Buktikan. B-U-K-T-I-K-A-N. What is a buktikan? Evidence, right? If you got evidence in your own experience, form, that is, tidak ada tanpa aku, then that salah pandangan, right? Salah pandangan, lewat, sudah selesai, tidak ada sudah, then no wrong view, but still you may get doubts. That is developed. Now I hope all of our yogi, we got right idea already, right view already, but still we get doubts. That doubts have to clear by the developing of our practice. Developing means yesterday I taught 5 kinds of developing. Jangan lupa, lama-lama waktu, non-stop, gap, and respectfully, semua, then you totally clear off your doubt. Then you can declare yourself you are Sotapanna. Nobody can say you. Buddha allow you. Then you have to check yourself. Itu saya ada. Tidak ada, okay? Itu saya. If you got this is saya, akulah. Yes, aku ada. If you got I, that is all are mine. Without I, there is no mine already. This I and mine create a lot of problem to us. All the problem come from this I and mine. Correct or not? You think of that. That is my body. If you think of my body, here got cancer. My heart got cancer already. My heart. problem already. That is, because of this mind is got a problem, right? There is no mind. Body is body, lo. It is spoil, lo. It's come, lo. It's go, lo. Right? Attachment is there. This mind is based on attachment, right? That is why this wrong view, how to clear off. Because of this attachment, we have many, many problems. A person who passed away, you see, if you don't know, nothing feeling. Right? It's a person who passed away. It's my friend, got a problem already. Right? Here's my sister, more. It's my wife, Many problems coming out already, right? That is why this mind is how make us problem, right? This I and mine, no more already. All the suffering is gone. Majority, we can say 25% of our suffering is gone. Second stage, you reach clearer form, 50% is gone. 75% you can understand, that means reach to the anagami already. 75% is gone. 100% gone, you become arahant. That is our final goal. Already get Sotapanna quality? How can get the faster way? The fastest way is now you clear off your wrong view. Now you can declare you are Sotapanna. That is right. The Buddha allow. We are attached to our aku. Buddha say tanpa aku. Tanpa aku is what? Tak bisa aku mah, tidak aku. Right? We are aku. That aku, when you want to drop, when you want to throw away. If you throw away, you can call Sotapanna. That is the sign and what you say, indicate of the Sotapanna. Only two. Sotapanna got greed, got hatred, got conceit, got pride, mana, all this. They have one. Sotapanna is not. That's why they say in Savatthi, about 50 million are Sotapanna. They have greed. You have heard about the Anathapindika, Sotapanna, Visakha, 7 years old, become a Sotapanna, deliver about the 20 baby. You see? Sotapanna enjoy with the family life, deliver the baby about 20. That Sotapanna is like that. They have the greed, they have attachment, they have all the sensual desire is there. Sensual desire is only reach to anagami, only can release of the sensual desire. Jelas? Okay? Lain?
Last question, Sayadaw. What is the difference between Vipassana Bhavana and Samatha Bhavana?
The one very common one. Samatha is based on concept, form. Vipassana is based on reality, come and go, not form. Can get that? Samatha is object, mass, nitya. Vipassana is the object are all anicca. Samatha is based on the concept. Patavi. Patavi is just name only. You no need to know Patavi is hard or soft or whatever it is. You no need to know. Patavi is a Patavi only. That's just name only. That is called Samatha. You know the Patavi is soft and cold, soft and hard. That is conditioned on everywhere. That is reality. Reality object go to the reality object, all the condition is changing. That is anicca. That is called vipassana. Pasi Sayadaw give very, very clear this one. What is that? ပညာအာယုံမြဲနေပုံရှုတုံသမထပရမတ်အာယုံမမြဲပုံရှုတုံဝိပဿနာပညာအာယုံ mean concept object conformly watch going to the samatha reality object condition all the time changing မမြဲဘူး so not impermanent that is called vipassana. Okay.
Okay, because of the time, so now we are proceed to the testimony session. So we want to invite Brother Johan to come to front and give some testimony after joining this retreat, Vipassana meditation retreat.
Finish already our question and answer section closing already. Yes, you need to say a bit lah. I looking for my question not yet finished. Now there's another program. Huh?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Yes, want to express his feeling. Everybody can get our own feeling. What? Yes.
Okay, it was my pleasure to say these greetings and the Anumodana. Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah. It was my pleasure to say this gratitude to all of them, all of you, and to make this retreat happen. I was amazed to see the center as I came in as the first time in Indonesia. I've been in another center before, but not this in Medan. So this is quite fully furnished well, quite spacious, and food, accommodation, everything is very, very convenient. Weather is fair, so they are all providing all the necessities, needs for yogis who wants to practice well for benefit. Yeah, so I think this is quite a complete place, maybe not 100% though, but it's quite a fully accessible and fully accommodative place for all the yogis. And I think the Medan devotees are lucky enough to have this accessible place like this near your place. And I would like to thank you all the devotees, volunteers, including Brother Tony, brothers and sisters in Dhamma, to make this retreat happen, and all the donations, food, Voyavicha Karakas, transport, and everything else to make very convenient for all of us. So I'd like to say thank you and Masadu to all of you. May you reach to your Dhamma goal in smooth and happiness. May you be all well and happy. Terima kasih.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Jadi ini adalah yogi yang datang dari Singapura. Jadi beliau adalah orang Myanmar yang tinggal di Singapura.
This yogi come from Singapore. Two yogi, foreigner yogi. There is any other foreigner yogi here? Don't have one, right? Only these two, right? It is great opportunity Very far away, people know the value. That's why people come. Medan people must know already the value of the Dharma. We have great opportunity, right? Okay.
Okay, next we will invite Sister Unitan.
Welcome. At the same as we share our feeling to all our family one, right? Nothing to be nervous. That is all are one family, what we call Dhamma family. The blood is mixed up in the Dhamma. Okay? Just simple share our experience and our feeling. Very good opportunity. Yeah, Sister Jenny.
Wandami Sayadaw.
Yes.
I would like to express my gratitude to thank Sayadaw Nanda Siddhi, accompanied by Sayadaw Chandawara and Sayadaw Pandija, for guiding us throughout this Vipassana Bhavana retreat from 6 to 14 April. Today is the last day. And at Jetavana Monastery, I'm so happy I'm joining this retreat. This is my first Vipassana Bhavana retreat guided by Sayadaw. And I would like to thanks to Ira who asked me to join, which is, like I said,
Kalyana Mita.
yeah. At first, I didn't think to join this retreat, but because I have a long holiday, so I think because I don't have any other activity, and this is also a holiday, why not join this retreat? At first, like I said, I feel a little doubt of this method because I never joined Vipassana Bhavana before. But I just realized that this is the same method which is I learned when I was at the young age. And of course, by that time I only know the method from the random books, which is I don't read the books completely. So I practice what I read. Yes, so this is just a partial learning that time. And then I feel a little bit confident by the result when I practiced this Mahasi method at that time when I was young. But then Sayadaw showed me and correcting my practice. This is, I'm very humbly thankful for the corrections, which is at first, to be honest, it's not easy to empty my cup. I can see that past experience somehow collide to my present experience, and this is somehow also bring a lot of problem which is I have to manage, and I think I have to praise myself that I did it well. Just for to encourage me to keep on practice. And I also see how the defilement, how the mind working, how the impermanence of our thinking, our feelings, and these things keep happening inside in our mind. Maybe people see us that we sitting upright, no moving hours, okay, but many things happen in our mind. And I think this method is very worth to learn and to keep on practice. Although I must confess, I still feel a little bit doubt, which is I plan that after the retreat I will check this what we call Mahasi method and Satipatthana. Yeah.
Patana Sutta.
Yeah, Mahasatipatthana Sutta. How to research and to understand how our mind, how our feelings, and this bodily keep functioned together. Because I think the most troublesome is sometimes our life is actually our mind. How our mind, like if we not guiding well our mind, this will bring a lot of problem in our life. Yes, and a lot of suffering can happen. So this is a very, I must say this is very valuable experience I got during this retreat, and I'm happy that I can completed the whole retreat from 6th to 14th, and I'm also happy that I got this opportunity that maybe I cannot get for next times, although I'm hoping that I can get another opportunity to join another retreat. Sayadaw.
Yes.
For
The seed is there. Will we grow?
yeah, thank you for guiding us, and I will speak in bahasa. Terima kasih kepada para panitia, Brother Tony Jack, Sister Jenny, translator kita Vita, juga kepada semua tim kitchen karena sudah menyediakan makanan yang baik, membuat kita bisa berlatih dengan nyaman. Tentu saja kepada bellboy yang teng teng teng. I believe that all the yogis waiting for the bell ringing.
Correct.
Terima kasih juga kepada tentu saja donatur semua yang telah mensupport retreat ini bisa berlangsung, dan kepada mungkin walaupun tidak ada di sini Dr. Susanto Hasim dan Dr. Gigi Mary dan Yayasan Cetawana di sini yang memungkinkan kita bisa berlatih dengan nyaman, para tim transportasi juga, tentu saja juga fotografer yang telah mengabadikan momen kita ini. Saya ingin mengucapkan terima kasih kepada para yogi yang bersama-sama berlatih, mungkinkan kita bersama-sama tumbuh, berkembang, dan belajar lebih banyak. Semoga jasa kebajikan ini melimpah kepada semua makhluk dan membawa kebahagiaan kepada semua makhluk. Semoga kita bisa merealisasikan cita-cita kita untuk mencapai jalan dan buah nibbana. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Terima kasih kepada Sister Yuni yang telah memberi testimoni dengan baik. Kemudian berikutnya saya undang Brother Eddie Anto untuk memberi sedikit testimoni. Jadi bisa ceritakan bagaimana perasaan sudah belajar vipassana meditasi, dan apakah itu susah, mudah? Ceritakan perasaannya begitu. Dan apakah akan mau lagi join meditasi vipassana?
Especially thank you for Sayadaw coming to Indonesia. Welcome. And this is my first time in Jetavana Monastery. And first time I heard about Vipassana meditation is in 1998 from Bante Suvarno from Penang.
Oh, this one, no more already. Good.
Very long time ago.
Yes.
And then in 2018, I got a headache. Headache is very hard and very pain. I go to Malacca for medical checkup. Then doctor says you have a stress, so you better go to psychiater. So I said no lah, I will try another solution. So at first time I learned Anapanasati. I already learned Anapanasati about 2 years. So this retreat very welcome me to understand about Vipassana, and very grateful. We have a good environment. People are very welcome, and we can train our emotion, our mind. I can manage my discipline also, because we are employee, work around the job, traveling a lot. We are full of stress and activity. So I hope other people also can try this Vipassana meditation. Good opportunity to understand Dhamma, to understand our feelings, body, mind, perception, and consciousness. I think that's all. Thank you, everybody, already support. We have same time and day, every day, but we can finish the retreat. Oh. Thank you, Saide. Thank you, everybody.
Successfully done, huh? Sadhu.
Sadhu.
Sadhu, sadhu.
Terima kasih kepada Brother Edianto yang sudah bersedia memberikan kesan dan pesannya kepada kita semua. Selanjutnya akan kita undang adik kita, Novelin Jusli Huang. Adik ini masih berumur 16 tahun, tetapi sudah bisa membawa neneknya ya untuk ikut retret meditasi. Bagus.
Pelan-pelan. Welcome. New generation. Only the youngest, right? In our yogi, it is only 16 years old. Good. Got potential.
Now Budaya Sayadaw, may I speak Indonesian?
Slowly.
May I speak Indonesian for my grandma to understand?
English also, Indonesia also. You boleh pelan-pelan, try. That is very good. That opportunity. Don't nervous. Like our family, what you feeling, you share with them. Say English first. After that, you can say bahasa. Okay.
Mungkin secet translatornya bisa bantu translate ke saya, Dao. Pertama-tama saya ingin mengucapkan terima kasih kepada saya, Dao, atas pelajaran yang diajarkan, sangat mudah dimengerti. Mungkin ini bukan pertama kalinya saya ikut retreat meditasi. Tahun lalu saya juga ikut, tapi menurut saya tahun ini lebih berkesan bagi saya. Mungkin tahun lalu saya tidak seserius ini untuk belajar bermeditasi. Tahun ini mungkin meditasi saya meningkat, mungkin tidak bisa sampai 1 jam, tapi lebih baik daripada yang sebelumnya. Kemudian saya ingin mengucapkan terima kasih kepada para panitia yang telah memberikan kesempatan bagi para yogi untuk mengikuti retreat meditasi ini. Kemudian tadi Ko Johnny ada menyinggung tentang Nainai saya. Kebetulan Nainai ikut bukan karena kita yang minta, tapi karena kemauannya sendiri. Kami sekeluarga turut berbahagia karena Nainai mempunyai inisiatif untuk ikut retreat meditasi kali ini. Ini juga merupakan kebajikan dan karma baik bagi kami sekeluarga dan juga Nainai. Semoga pelatihan ini bermanfaat bagi kita semua dan semoga semua makhluk hidup berbahagia. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Bahasa Inggris sedikit lah. Coba. Coba bahasa Inggris. Oh, that want to translate. Okay. To help the ask the happy. Okay. Very pandai, huh?
Okay. She said that she would like to express gratitude to Sayadaw for guiding her throughout this retreat. This is not her first retreat. Actually, not the first retreat, but this year is quite different compared to the previous years, where she felt that this time she is more serious, and she feels that her meditation also got a lot of progress compared to past years. Although she understands that she cannot really sit until the full 1 hour, but she can sit better and better and longer compared to the previous experience. Other than that, she also would like to say thank you to the committee here, all the helping committee, for having given her the chance to join this retreat. And she also said that her grandma is actually coming to this retreat this time, not because of she asking her grandma to do so, but because of her own grandma's initiative to come here. So she and her whole family is very happy because the grandma also has the intention to learn Dharma herself.
Next, Sayadaw, the next session is we are going to submit the certificate to the yogis.
Not the certificate, it is to remember. Huh? To remember for memory of our meritorious deed, what we have done, all the merits. We see this record paper, then we think of, wow, we are strive this meditation, Vipassana meditation in Jetawana, then great merits we accumulated. One time you see, many times our merits will be developing. That is why, that is not the certificate, that is the memorial record until die. You, before you last minute of your life, you remember this record. Huh? Then your life will be guided until right path to change your body. Okay.
Jadi sekarang kita mulai penyerahan sertifikat dan dari Sayadaw juga akan memberi sedikit kenangan untuk para yogi yang beruntung. Jadi mari kita undang. The first we invite Brother Johan to go in front and accept the certificate.
Oh, Brother Johan, that is, I think I stand up better.
Jadi ini lucky draw, lihat siapa yang beruntung akan mendapat jackpot dari Sayadaw. Siapa yang beruntung yang dapat. Jadi tidak usah takut bagi yang tidak mendapatkan bukunya, nanti boleh minta sama saya soft copy-nya. Berikutnya Brother Xiumin. Berikutnya Brother Agus. Dan supaya lebih cepat nanti berikutnya Brother Wilianto ya. Supaya mempersingkat waktu, tidak usah namaskara lagi. Waktu tidak cukup. Berikutnya Brother Eddie Anto, diikuti oleh Brother Jeffrey. Kemudian Brother Edianto. Next we invite Sister Sandy. Sister Sandy. Diikuti oleh Sister Suwarni, Sister Yin Mei, jadi sedikit informasi, sertifikat dibagikan kepada para yogi yang mengikuti retreat full dari awal sampai akhir. Kemudian Sister Audrey, Sister Desnita, Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Kemudian Sister Eklianti, Sister Eli, Sister Huiling, sadhu, sadhu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Sister Indawati, Sister Irawati, sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Kemudian Sister Juani, sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Sister Leni, Sister Widya Dharmi, dan Sister Yunitan, sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Kemudian Sister Chinling, Sister Vita, Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Jadi sedikit informasi, nanti setelah selesai, mungkin setelah jam makan siang, sebelum pergi membersihkan kuti, jika ada yang mau memberi satu pacaya pada Sayadaw, boleh ketemu panitia di kantor. Ya, setelah nanti kami kembalikan handphone, dompet. Jika ada yang berkenan memberikan satu pacaya, boleh ketemu saya di kantor. Ko Tony, kapan kita kembalikan handphone? Sekarang atau nanti? Habis makan ya, jadi setelah makan baru kita kembalikan handphone dan dompet ya. Setelah makan siang. Jadi mungkin ada beberapa yogi yang memang sudah menyediakan dana ya yang taruh di amplop ya. Jadi saya mau informasi bahwa para Sayadaw tidak menerima amplop secara langsung. Jadi nanti harus ketemu panitia, kami akan menuliskan satu kertas. Jadi nanti yang diserahkan itu kertasnya, bukan amplopnya yang berisi uang, oke? Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Berikutnya Sister Vita, Sister Mary Cui, Susan. Sadhu, sadhu. Dan Sister Filia ya. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Sayadaw, this is the last yogi that get the certificate. So the next session is sharing merits. Sorry, Sayadaw, there is still some of them. Sister Iana, Graceline, Sister Siu Boy, Sister Chin Ling, oh Sister Iana sudah pulang. Sister Graceline ya, Graceline, Siu Boy, Novelin, Mimi, Mary, Susiana, Jocelyn. Yang datang tanggal 7. Semua yang datang tanggal 7 ya. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. 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 Mungkin para yogi yang tidak mendapatkan sertifikat, para yogi yang tidak ikut full, yang tidak dapat sertifikat dapat ikut ke depan. Sister Lina, Brother Arnold, Brother Ferry. Sister Ani, ada 3 Ani. Sister Nini, Sister Susana. Sister Ani Mulyadi, Sister Nini, Brother Arnold. Brother Arnold sudah ada ya? Oke. Sadu, sadu, sadu. Hebat juga ya jackpotnya, yang sudah ada tetap tidak dapat ya. Sadu, sadu. Jadi ini adalah para relawan yang bersedia hadir di sini untuk membantu mengantar para yogi pulang ke Medan. Sadu, sadu, sadu. Ada para yogi yang tadi tidak mendapatkan buku, boleh tunjuk tangan? Para yogi yang tidak dapat buku. Hai. Yang tadi tidak dapat buku, yang belum ada ya, yang bagi yang belum ada dapat tahun lalu. Oke, oke selesai ya. Oke, bagi yang tidak dapat, boleh nanti minta soft copy dari saya ya. So Sayadaw, we are asking for sharing merits.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. Have to share merits. Huh? So we every day also we share the merits. Great merits. We do very good job, noble job. Meritorious deed, what we have done. Dana also. Sila also. Samadhi also. Panya, Vipassana also. Take everyday refuge. Keep our precept. How pure is an individual, we can guarantee our precept. How great we can accumulate it. Our concentration, how much you understand about your life. Also, very important to get this insight knowledge. How much you get evident, your mind and body functioning in this life. From onward, before we share this merits, don't forget what we can get. This knowledge. Panya. Panya cannot be deleted. Samadhi, concentration. Viriya, efforts. Mindfulness, perhatian penuh. If you not practice, will be dropped. Now you go already, after that keep here, keep there, run here, run there, talking here, talking there, you are no mindfulness already. Your concentration also not much kiri kanan, tidak ada sudah. Right? Forget here, forget there already. Then this effort also lesser. Viriya, sati, samadhi, not practice will be dropped. That is why every day go back home, we need to practice. Morning about 1 hour. At night, everybody sleep already. We take about 1 hour to research before we die. When we got that bad already, no chance already to practice. Now we make ready how to go. Everybody prepare to our destination. After you get firmly wisdom, that wisdom called panya. Panya cannot erase one. Panya is what we learn, we get our knowledge. That inside knowledge, the whole life cannot delete one. You know what is you knowing, the whole life you are knowing. You know ABCD. Until die, nearly to die, A is like that, B is like that, you know, right? Cannot say, I don't know. You pretending only. What we know, what we understand, what we get that knowledge is cannot be deleted. If you know how to drive, without driving also, that knowledge how to drive, don't know where, in your hand or in the leg or in your heart or in your mind, or they have somewhere, you know. You cannot delete, right? If you know how to drive. You pretending, I don't know how to drive. But really, in case there is car, there is something That is all the thing is, I know this is, run away, no? Right? That is, in case we must have this knowledge. Cannot be deleted. That is why, until die. Until die means we have that type of suffering is nobody can help us. Really already, sick already, we have to go, then this knowledge sure will help us. But we must have all need to be training. No? It's a practice to make perfect. If you drive last 30 years, 40 years ago, I know how to drive. Now you ask me to drive, a bit difficult already, right? Why? I never drive about 40 years already. That is why, difficult. Every day if you drive, okay, no problem, right? That is why until on and off, you have to reminding of our knowledge, cannot be erased, have to warm up. Now very hot already, you are, if not yet 100-degree boil, but very hot already your water. If you put long time, slowly cool, become a normal water already, right? You have to put in a flask. Then more, when we need, we can use the warm water, right? Some sort of like that. This is why regular practice also needs for us, for yogi, then only. At the same as in the club, we learn Kung Fu, we learn Karate, we learn Judo to protect our enemies, right? So, in the club, you have to fight with each other. That is not the enemies, you know. In the club, free fight, what we say. In the club, they are learning about karate la, judo la, kung fu la. We have to fight, right? If you fight, then you got stamina. You know how to fight already. Outside, really, if you face the enemy, easy to win. At the same that now in the meditation center, we are fighting with our kokotram batin, right? Whatever, restless la, doubt la, all the thing is, sometimes this one satisfied, that one not satisfied, the one patiently, some other people also, this even though ourselves also, sometimes we like, sometimes we don't like, right? Sometimes we satisfy, sometimes we not satisfied. All the thing is, that is settle down, calm, peace, tranquility. Really, if you win, you understand, outside, a lot of defilement, enemies waiting for you. Then you have this knowledge, you easy to protect your mind, not to associate with greed, hatred, delusion, conceit, pride, ego, jealousy, envy, all these kind of defilement. That is why very important. This understanding panya, don't forget, don't delete. Itself is not delete, but you have to latihan, no? Have to training, keep on warming. Every day we can accumulate it. When we need, straight away we can use. The enemy become old. We don't know when we have to die. When the problem will come, we have ready to solve. Prepare our life. That is very important for us. This great merit, what we accumulated, dana, sila, vipassana, bhavana, panya knowledge, we will share with all beings all over the world, seeing, unseen, Peta and Dewa, wish all beings to be free from all suffering. So repeat after me. The same Pali you already used to it. So together, Mayam Bante Sansara Vutta Dukkha To Mojanathaya Nibbanasa Satchikaranatthaya Buddha Sasanasa Vadanathaya Imani Dana Sila Vipassana Bhavana Kamani Sakajang Karoma Idan me danam Idan me silam Idan me punyam Nibbanasa Paccayo Hotu Imano Punya Bagam Mata Pitunam Acariyanam Nyatimetanam Sabba Petanam Sabba Devatanam Sabba Satanam Bajema Sabbe Satta Sukhita Aroga Nidokha Nisoka Nibhaya Hontu Sadhu 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 Buddham Pujemi Dhammam Pujemi Sangham Pujemi Sadhu